Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1417 at Penang Marriott Hotel. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that's the floor plan on the back of the door. We have the in-room breakfast dining menu right there. Here we have the master light switch together with the do not disturb switch. Here we have the ironing board, iron, and a shelf right above. While right here we have the wardrobe area with the in-room slippers below, hangers and bathrobes right above, and right in there we have the torchlight. Right above is a shelf for storage. Here we have the place to put luggage with drawers below. I believe this is the safe. It is. And down at the bottom we have more storage with the weighing scale. Here we have the light switches for the bathroom. And as you enter the bathroom, we have the bathtub right there. We have a door that looks into the bedroom, but you can obviously close the door if you want more privacy. We have mirrors and lights around the sink area. Hello. We have the shaving mirror right there with a power outlet, a couple of glasses, the sink. We have a bar of soap, bottle of body lotion, towels, bathroom amenities are in the box right there, box of tissues. And down below we have more towels. In that nook right there we have the hairdryer. The bin is down there. Towel. And right here we have a place to sit on. It's a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Right there we have the usual shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. There we have the toilet with a couple of toilet rolls, and we have a couple of hooks right above. The door to the bathroom is sliding as well. And if you have not noticed just now, there is a floor to ceiling mirror on the bathroom door. Okay, so here we have the climate control panel, power outlet down there, and another look at the bathroom from this angle. There we have the left bedside table with a drawer for storage, TV remote, the TV guide below the remote. There we have the various light switches together with power outlets and USB-A ports. With a light right there, a light strip behind the headboard. Here we have the bed. It is a very comfortable bed. And opposite the bed we have the flat screen LG TV, the bin. On one side is regular waste, on the other side is recyclable waste. Here we have the pantry area with a couple of bottles of water, power outlet, a light. Down here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff, mugs, glasses, spoons and whatnot. Here we have storage with the kettle. And right here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but you can still put your own items in there, and the first round of drinks in the fridge are complimentary. Here we have the desk area with the chair, the table. We have a light right there with lights behind the panel and storage surfaces as well. And there we have the sofa area with the table. And on the right bedside table, we have another drawer, writing materials, clock, in-room telephone, all the various light switches, power outlets, USB-A ports, and a light. As for the view out, we can see Penang Hill in the distance, all the various condominiums and buildings around the hotel. We can see the Gurney Drive development right there, the sea in the distance. Gurney Drive is down there. And the housing area that's next to the hotel. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1417 at Penang Marriott Hotel. Thanks for watching and goodbye.